Get ready to spice up your taste buds with this gluten-free Ulu Taco Pizza. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees, and if using a pizza stone, place it in the oven to heat up at this time as well. First, prepare the ulu crust by cutting the prepared ulu into large chunks. Place the ulu and about 1/4 cup of water into the blender. Blend until smooth and add a little bit more water, little at a time, to achieve a smooth consistency. Add a little salt and cornmeal, then blend one last time to incorporate everything. Now you're ready to form the crust. Place a piece of parchment paper on the counter that is large as your pizza pan. Oil your hands to prevent the dough from sticking. Then spread dough onto the parchment paper to the size of your pizza pan. Transfer the parchment paper with the dough onto your pizza pan or stone. Place in the oven and bake for 12 minutes. While the crust is baking, mix the refried beans with chopped garlic, cumin, and a sprinkle of salt. Also, prepare the healthy nacho cheese and get the rest of your toppings ready. Take the ulu crust out of the oven and spread the bean mixture evenly over it. Then bake for another 5 minutes. Remove the pizza from the oven when the edges are golden and a little crispy. Then add all your fabulous toppings: the plant-based taco meat, lettuce, sprouts, olives, tomato, guacamole, salsa, cilantro, hot sauce, whatever you love. Since I am cooking for just me and my husband tonight, I am only adding toppings on half the pizza and will freeze the rest for a quick, easy meal in the future where I can quickly heat up the pizza and add the toppings. Add love and enjoy your delicious, nutritious Ulu Taco Pizza. Shares are greatly appreciated. Please comment, subscribe, and like, and check out Radiate Health and Wellness for the full recipe, more nutritious recipes, and tools to assist you on your wellness journey.